There's a common misconception that gratitude makes you weak, that it makes you complacent. But the opposite is true. Gratitude makes you powerful. It's not about ignoring what you want. It's about building your strength from what you have. When you focus on what you don't have, the promotion you missed, the goal you haven't reached, you live in a state of scarcity. Your world shrinks, defined by lack. But when you practice gratitude, you unlock abundance. You start noticing the supportive colleague, the progress you've made, the simple fact that you get another day to try again. This shift doesn't happen by accident. It's a practice. Start a journal and write down what you're thankful for. At the end of your day, list 3 small wins. Or simply take a single conscious breath and appreciate the feeling of being alive. The science is clear. People who practice gratitude are more resilient, more optimistic, and more driven to grow. It rewires your brain to seek out the positive. It strengthens relationships, improves sleep, and even boosts your immune system. This power translates directly into your daily life. At work, it turns challenges into opportunities. During a tough workout, it reminds you to be grateful for what your body can do. When you face a setback, it reframes failure as a lesson, not a final verdict. You're fueled by appreciation, not emptiness. Let's try it right now. Take a breath. Name 3 things right now that you are genuinely grateful for. It can be anything. The coffee in your mug, a person you love, the fact that you are here listening to this. Feel that? That is the feeling of abundance. That is your power. So take a moment every day to be grateful. Don't just see the good, recognize it as the foundation you're building on. Then use that strength as the fuel to go out and chase what's next.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.